여러분, 저는 필리핀 K-친구가 리자예요. 만나서 반갑습니다. 오랜만이다, 여러분. Yes, and welcome back to another video. And for today's episode is a very special episode. And this is actually the first ever episode for this year, 2022. Yes. Happy New Year, everyone. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. How are you? How is your new year so far? I hope that everything is doing well. And yeah, this year is another awesome year, and I'm sure there are a lot of things that's going to happen. Very good things. Yes. And for today, I am going to share with you a quick unboxing video of the package that I've got from Korea. This is actually one of the benefits of being a K-friend. We actually got a community on Facebook, and you are actually entitled to share. You were given the chance to share your love and passion for Korean culture, everything about Korea. May it be pop culture, K-pop, K-drama, or history, anything about Korea. Yes. And my partial package just arrived today. Yes, I could say it's actually partial because I ordered two packages. So this one is, it actually states here that the content is study book. So I'm so excited because, as you know, I'm actually learning Korean nowadays. So this might be very helpful. This would be very helpful for me. And the other package was actually, as you can see here, and Mogo, my best friend, it's actually a Kingdom Friends goodies, but it wasn't able to arrive right now. So I've got here from DHL, yes, and I'm so excited. Ta-da! Yes, this one. And I love because it's actually like the tape they're using is really patented K-friends. Yes, you can see that. Yes. So let's go. Let's unbox this. And by the way, guys, I need to unbox this first, just to make sure what's inside. I'm actually a little bit nervous and excited at the same time. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, well, some of you might not have known, I really love Korean contents, everything. Well, there's a lot of, there's a variety of things that you can actually learn and discover about Korea. Not just K-dramas, most of us know, not only K-pop, but there's a lot of variety of things that we can offer. And as you can see, most of my things here, this was actually Kingdom Friends travel luggage. Wow, luggage. And this is actually my best friend, Mogo. It's actually one of the K-friends mascot, Kingdom Friends mascot. And a little trivia for Mogo, he's actually acting as the bodyguard of Hojong, which is the king of the Joseon dynasty, together with 𝘿𝙊𝙆𝙉𝙀. 𝘿𝙊 is actually here. It's actually like a little bit of a bird. Okay. I love the letter. Moija K-friends, we greatly appreciate your time and energy you have shown us this year. This was supposed last year, by the way. We hope you enjoy our gift and have a happy end of the year. Okay, happy end of the year last year. So yes, it was really indeed happy. You'll stay with K-friends in 2022 too, right? Yes, of course. You can see. Look, I love it. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I love it. Delicious K-food in K-drama. Of course, it's in English. Okay. Alright. Oh, okay. So, as you can see, there's a lot of K-dramas going on, and it became very popular, not only in Korea, but all over the world. And yeah, that's really amazing. As you can see, these are some of the K-dramas, and then these are some of the food. Okay. And if I'm going to show you what's inside, this is it, with the contents. And you can see different kinds of recipes in different K-dramas. Yeah, you can show. You can actually see. Of course, K-dramas won't be complete without eating. Yes, of course. Okay, so this is actually a guidebook for the recipes, and I'm excited to check this out, all of them. Of course. Yes, Visit Korea official travel guide from 𝙎𝙤𝙆𝙀𝙀 organization. So it featured current travel trends, themed recommended tour and travel themes, popular regional tourist destinations, and general info and maps. Although I'm not really good at maps, I'm not really good at reading maps, but yes, I'm gonna try to. Yes. Oh, you can actually see a lot of food also, and different like what delicacies or Korean food is popular in a certain destination. This is the map that I'm talking about. Yeah, I guess they actually have it in English, but I think it's really good for international fan like me. Oh, look at that! I can see this is actually BTS. Yes. Okay, this is one of the popular destinations that you can see in Korea. Yeah, popularized by BTS, of course. And you can see here, there. This is the back part. Okay, I can't wait to see, but yeah, we're going to have another time for that. And okay, 𝙤𝙊𝙍𝙁, Korea. I don't know what's 𝙤𝙊𝙍. Ah, okay. These days, nowadays, I think this is actually some kind of trends or something. Yes, you can see. Okay, when I was working in a travel agency before, I used to have a lot of like this, different countries, but I'm not really into reading of it. So, but now I tend to realize that it's good to have like this, especially because it's from Korea. And finally, this is actually one of the most exciting thing because, oh my gosh, okay. I've actually been trying to find this kind of set from Amazon or even from the official website, but it's just too much for me. It's really, really, I would say it's really expensive. 진짜 너무 비싸요. 그리고 I can't afford it. Yeah, but I'm glad that Moija K-friends actually included this from the Moija market too last December. And guess what? Ta-da! Yes! I've been dreaming to have this Learn Korean with BTS set, the official set from 𝙁𝙊𝙈𝙈𝙁. So I first saw this on their official YouTube channel, but I'm not really interested with this set before. But if you like BTS, of course I like BTS. If you like BTS and if you're an ARMY, you will know what I mean, and you will know how it's an amazing opportunity to have this. And it's actually the official one. Yes, guys, I've got this. This is very helpful, especially because I am also learning Korean nowadays, and I've never had an official like physical book. Yeah, physical book. So it's really, really amazing. Dun. Okay, so I'm going to open this to show you what's inside the official set. And of course I need to be very careful because it's very yeah, of course we need to be very careful with it because it might tear down. And here we go, guys. Yes, and let's see. Okay, and as you can see, by the way, this is the official logo and this is the official trademark 𝙁𝙁𝙁. Yes, and here is Weaver Shop QR code where you could actually buy this officially. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to see what's inside. Oh my! Okay, let's start by having, and even the cover has logo on it. So, okay, this is book 1, book 2, book 3, okay, and of course, book 4. So there are 4 books that you can have, you can use for your Korean language journey, plus this one, Hangul keyboard stickers, yeah, for keyboard. Ah, so amazing. And one thing that I love about this set is this one, speaking pen. Yeah, speaking pen here. Speaking pen. Alright. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to use this one. And I'm sure. Oops. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. See? And let's see how are we going to use this. Okay, so guys, this is actually the speaking pen. Yeah, Learn Korean with BTS speaking pen. Oh, 16 gigabytes. Wow, Amazing. And as you can see, it's actually rechargeable. Yes, it has actually a cord for charging. So it's really, really great to use. Okay, let's try to open and let's try to use it in one of the books too. Okay. Let's hear what they said at the beginning. Oh, it's like their signature 𝙎𝙾𝙆𝙍. 네, 안녕하세요. 𝘆𝙤𝙆𝙍입니다. Like that. Okay. I'm not really sure how to use this actually. So, come on. Hello? Hello. So, come on. Okay, I'll try this with the book one. Yeah, book one. Yes, I love it. Okay. I've seen it before that you're going to, you know, like put this one and then you're going to listen. So let's see. Oh! Oh, you're going to put it like something. Oh, so it's actually, let's try it with the English word. Okay, so it only works with Korean characters. It's actually English here. Yes. And then if you're going to put it in the English words, it's actually like translating it in Korean. Yes! Wow, that's really great, guys. So this is very helpful, especially if I need to translate something from the internet or even from my smartphone. So it's very, very helpful. So you're just going to put it here on the
저기 책상 위에 있어요.
Oh, yes, that's great. I'm so excited to use this pen together with these books. And yes, guys, that's it for the partial package from Moija K-friends. And I hope to see you in the community. And if you want to know more, you can DM me. You can connect me on my Instagram, Facebook account. Yeah, let's be friends. Thank you so much. And yes, I'm looking forward to use this often in my Korean language journey. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. 감사합니다, 여러분. 안녕히 계십시오.
We'll be right back.